Your project number is 17. Why? Because means tomorrow I am going to float one form. In that form, I am asking you what is your project number. See here, the first project number is exam section automation. The second project number 2, that is semester registration into teams. So like that, tomorrow when I will float a form, I will ask you what is the project number. Means that you should select either from these 16 projects, or you can go with your own project. If you are working with your own project, it should get approved from me so that I will add it in that list. That is the first thing I want to tell you. Then come to the second task. A group project is also allowed here, but maximum group size is only 2. 2 students can do the projects. Or if you are not interested, alone also you can do the project. But more than 2, it is not allowed. That is the second instruction. Come to the third instruction. You should select the students from batch 1 also. Not only in the batch 2, from batch 1 also. If you are having any friends in batch 1, combinedly you can do. But here the restriction is select the students only trained on Blue Prism. So here we have a set of students trained in the Blue Prism in for Y20 batch 1 and batch 2. Batch 1 is going on 1:30 to 3:30. Batch 2 is on from 4 to 6 p.m. So select only those students trained from batch 1 or batch 2. Am I clear, students? This is the clear instruction. Other students who not trained Blue Prism won't be allowed, because I have a list of students who are participating in this Blue Prism training. I will cross check it again. So you must select only the students who trained on Blue Prism. That is the third instruction. Then come to fourth instruction. So while you are selecting your project from this 16 or on your own, you should clearly mention or clearly frame a document. In the document, you should contain what is the input that you are supplying and what is the output we are expecting. And also you have to list out the use cases. Suppose, say for example, I am taken project number 11, bonus status email to employee. Means that automatically you have to calculate employee bonus from the Blue Prism, so that Blue Prism will send a mails to the employees who will get a bonus. Such type of application I was taken as a level. You should get what is the input and what is the output to be expected, and what are the use cases to be developed in Blue Prism, such that you need to document it. So this documentation can be done and you should show me tomorrow while I am asking. That is the next point. Then come to the next instruction. Tomorrow I will float a form. All the students should fill that form without fail. If anyone fail to fill that form, we won't allot a project to you, because of we need to finalize that project list tomorrow. Tomorrow during this session, I'm going to finalize the projects. Okay. So I already told you, if you come up with your own idea, you should get approval from me. Then only you have to fill the form, because all the project number should be whatever I am given in that list only. This is the clear instructions I am given to you. So now start working on these projects. So I already mentioned you should start working on these projects from today, or if you want to go in depth about that Excel, because of we need Excel as max as possible to do all these projects. Okay. So until training completion, you should wait or you can start, because of the initial gathering should be done in this training only. The implementation part you should do next. because of I am here for the next week also, so that I will clarify all your doubts. You can start parallelly the project also. Don't wait until end of the training. That is my instruction to you. Because after end of training, I won't be available to you to guide you. So because of that, if you have any issues and queries regarding input gathering, you should approach me in this training period. I will guide you. Okay, students, if you have any issues, can talk to me now. So now one more instruction. So don't select any one project in this list now. Don't blindly select. You can read all the projects thoroughly. Read all the 16 projects or read other than the 16 projects too. Then you will select one. So for one, you have to read all these 16, not simply select any one from this list. Because of that, upon your interest only, I am asking to select. See here, I won't assign any project to you. You have a provision of selecting your project because of your doing. Then again, one more liberty to you. You can select your teammate from either batch 1 or batch 2. That is also the provision I am given you. So two choices: select your own project, select your teammate. But you should be thorough with what you are going to do. Okay, students?
Uh, Ma'am, I have a small
Yeah.
doubt, ma'am. Ma'am, can you explain each and every project? I mean, not the process, ma'am. What we must do, ma'am? Exam section automation means what we must do, like that, ma'am.
See, that's what I'm asking you. You have to search for data. If I'm okay, I will tell you. Definitely, I'll explain. But there is so many tasks related to exam sections. See, the results are released, so that the results will be automatically sent to the student's mail. That is one task. Another task: exam question papers are there. You have to convert it into some other format and send that exam question papers to emails or telegrams or WhatsApp. See, like that we have so many for every task. Are you clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So for that I am asking first analysis. Analysis is very important. See, if you taken one project from that, what you are going to do, that analysis should be there. Because of that, I am sharing 16 some reference. Not only this 16 you have to stick, you can go beyond that also if you have any idea regarding that. But make sure while selecting your topic, you must note what is the things, that is what is the input output use cases that you are going to implement. Make sure. If you have any doubts while selecting your topic, approach me, I will guide you. See, if 16 I am explaining to you, some students are more attracted towards one or two. They won't go after two, three, four, five, six, like that. Because of that, I am given a task to you. You have to go through it, go through around it, and you have to select upon your choice how much depth knowledge you have in the particular concept. So this is the like this is like research you are doing. Everything is clear. Semester registration in two teams means that we have like semester registration, like how you are selecting the subjects, how you are selecting the faculty, then which section you are choosing, all the tasks to be automated. That is the second task. Then come to registration of students into courses. Like see, we have 20 or 30 courses. How many number of students registered for particular course, I am asking. Then creation of online classes links and adding faculty. This is one more task. So like that, you have to go in depth about that. What particular knowledge you have, Google it. It will get you so lot of things and use cases too. But it takes some time. That's what I am asking. Start from today itself. You have to gather all the required requirements to your project. Until we reaches the end of the training, you will have a particular knowledge on your project. That means the particular basic blocks that are ready to do your project. At the end of the training, then you can start working on your project. Because I am here, right, up to next week, so that I am insisting you start from now onwards. Background work, not in detail. Background work, whatever you are collected, you should place all those documents in one folder relating to your project. Okay. Submission date. See, after training only you are doing, we will announce you the submission date. You can start work now. Don't stick on to the dates. You should do as soon as possible, but the project should be worthy, not simple sake like doing the project like others task. You should be have some worthy. I will announce you when is the submission date. Don't stick for the deadlines. You should start working now. Next, any other queries? Students get clarification from now itself. Any other doubts? Am I clear? Yama, you have to do on completely Blue Prism only. Yama, who is talking? Yama, see, by using Blue Prism, we are interacting with external applications like, see, right? So if you want any other technology to be included into the Blue Prism, you can do it, no issue. But max, you have to use Blue Prism. Because of that, see here, in the second year itself, you are trained on RPA Blue Prism tool, and if you done any simple project on Blue Prism, it will give more weightage because of this is the initial stage. So next time we will go to your intermediate level training. So after that we will go for advanced level training. So once it is completed, you will get RPA developer certificate. So once you got the developer certificate, lot of opportunities, plenty of jobs is there in the market on RPA. Exclusively this Blue Prism RPA. That's what I am insisting you students. Select any simple problem or simple project. You can do it with Blue Prism along with some other technology. You should include some other technology also. But math should be from Blue Prism technology only. Because of we trained on Blue Prism, you should automate the task. Create a bot to automate the task using Blue Prism. Yes, you can do other than this 6 also. But I already mentioned, Guna Kumari, I already mentioned, if you are choosing other than this 16, you should get approval from me. You should discuss about your project with me. Then only I will include your project into the project list so that you will be able to fill the form. 3 members, no ma. Only 2 persons are allowed to do the project. Only the batch strength is of 2. Or if you are not interested to do as a batch, you can do alone also. It is also allowable. Semester end extra attendance, could you please play based on Excel sheet or slide? I am not getting your point, ma. Mohana Manohara 31095. Can you speak? Must speak, ma. Rather than messaging in the chat box, why you are feel shy to speak me? 31095.